Rucapequien is located in a predominantly rural territory in a context of grazing activities and crop sowing of different raw materials. Its population is about 1,486 inhabitants according to the Social Register of Households in August 2021. In the year 2007, the urban territory of this town was defined through the Intercommunal Regulatory Plan. Later, in the year 2012, it was recognized as a Communal Regulatory Plan. Both are vast territories of planification. The first one tends to define a housing territory, and the second one proposes a productive industrial development zone, which has been gradually materialized with the arrival of productive warehousing and logistics companies. Strategic positioning. Rucapequien is a strategic zone for the intercommunal and regional productive platform. Because of that, the planning decision of the year 2007 has been gestated from enormous comparative location advantages. First, it is adjacent to Route 5 and the Itata Highway, also known as the North Access to Concepcion City. This being a key path for the development of the Ñuble region because it directly connects to Lirquén, the most important central southern Chilean port, which is 43 miles far away from Rucapequien. To the main regional and national communicating hubs, it is added the rail potential for cargo and transportation, which is installed as the focus of future operations of the State Railroad Company. From the regional vision of planning, Rucapequien plays a leading role within the strategic axes defined by the Regional Development Strategy, since one of them refers to the need to develop agro-industrial platforms, and precisely in this line, Rucapequien has all the necessary attributes to lead this challenge. This functional articulating territory of productive chains is a key aspect for the human and economic development of the town, the commune, and the Ñuble region. Specifically, harmless productive and industrial activities are validated by legal regulations. This results in the availability of 1,589 hectares of land to this instrument, according to updated study of the Ministry of Housing and Urbanism of the year 2018. Added to public-private development actions, it is possible, in the short and medium term, that this strategic territory continues in consolidation hand in hand with guidelines of social and environmental sustainability.